Mommy. Mommy and Daddy, look, I'm taping it. No.
Okay, let's go in.
No, just a minute. I want to get some more tape of the plane coming this way, buddy.
Come around.
It's going to be a little bit before they get inside.
It's going to come right close. It's going to come around.
This is kind of cool to watch this on the internet and I'll film it to you. You'll have it.
Oh, it's turning around now. It doesn't even look like it's turning.
On a baby and she's videotaping a TV show, for God's sake.
What? Say again?
And the camera's like shaky. You videotape everything. Remember
I just got this camera, so I'm experimenting. I tried doing a couple videotapes. They didn't work out real good.
Well, hold it with 2 hands. It's probably all shaky.
Here they come.
There's no windows. You can't see us.
Yes, there is.
I can't see
Those little dark things are windows.
little dark thing.
Oh my God.
You're kind of
Noisy prop plane, ain't it? You can't zoom in on this on video, can you? Yes, you can. You zoom in on this on video? Well, you had a camera almost like it. I tried. It don't work. Listen to it loud. It looks little in the sky, don't it? It's a good sized plane. I know. I know. It's hard to believe, isn't it?
Here comes Daddy.
I laughed the first one's off the plane.
Their luggage might not be with them. I know Daddy's with this guy. Oh, there's Nanny.
No, it's not Nanny.
That's not Nanny. There's Nanny. There's Mommy. There's Daddy. Holler.
Dad! Oh, he looks so good. Let's go outside.